Okay, good evening, everyone. We are going to start the celebration and over to the program organizers. Usually, dear parents and doctors first, and parents and children. Happy Doctors Day to all our loving doctors. Now they are called during these COVID times. They are called as the warriors. So they are the real doctors, are the real soldiers. So please. We welcome you all to this celebration. Usually I talk much, but today this entire program will be organized by the students and teachers. So please have a wonderful new experience. And at the end, I'll close the session with a short message of mine. Thank you. Over to you, the organizers.
We are going to start our program with prayer by Damaris.
Good and gracious God, you are the source of all healing. In you, we have a share of the wonderful ministry we call Healing Presence. Today, we honor physicians for the excellent care they give and how they serve as role models for others. We know what we truly celebrate is the way your grace moves to each of them to reveal your healing touch, your compassionate glance, your consoling words. Bless them in a special way today and strengthen them so they might continue to be your healing presence to others. We ask this in the power of your holy name. Amen.
Thank you, Damaris. Mahir and Hasini are here with welcome address. I hereby hand over to Hasini and Mahir.
And that is to say your patience. Respected our correspondent, Reverend Father Bharat, my principal, Mrs. Radhika Madam, my guide teachers, the healers of the world, the doctors, and my dear STEM staff friends. A very calm and peaceful evening to one and all. It's my pleasure to stand before you and welcome you all to the auspicious day, the Doctor's Day. Every minute of every day, a doctor somewhere brings a smile, shares a problem, alleviates a pain, and makes a special difference.
A person who is so dedicated to his service, who is ready to sacrifice his happiness of time for the welfare of the society. What all? There will be many points which explain the service of the doctors. To say, the duty of the army is to protect the country while staying at the borders, and the doctor stands at the patients of the country to protect them. There will be no difference between them. So, dear all, I welcome you all for this great and grand day to give reverence and respect to our doctor parents. As the words can't explain a mother, in the same manner doctors do. So, once again, on behalf of STEM School, I welcome you all for the short and sweet Doctors Day online cultural program. Thank you.
నమ్మునికము నమ్ముడయా is a frontline and a first point of contact in a patient's healthcare. A doctor is a flag bearer of hope who never let us lose our hope in our.
Hi everyone, happy Doctor's Day. My name is Datri. I am a doctor. I work in hospitals. My duty is to treat patients. This is called a stethoscope. It is used to take the heartbeat of people. I wear a white coat. I give medicines for the people. I also give injection. Finally, I want to say an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सौ चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Thank you, children. Thank you. Every home consists of first aid kit, but many children don't know how to use and what to use. On this occasion, Raj Prabhas is here to share about its usage.
Good morning everyone, I am Raj Prabhas. July 1st is celebrated as National Doctors' Day. On this occasion, I would like to say about first aid kit. We need first aid kit so you can deal with minor accident and injuries. We should keep a first aid kit in cool, dry place out of the reach of children. We need a small first aid kit in their cars for emergency. A first aid kit should contain Savlon solution, pain relief spray, adhesive elastic bandage, antiseptic cream, gauze bandage, elastic bandage, rolled gauze bandage, scissors.
मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
for the graceful words towards doctors.
No man is a good doctor who has never been sick himself. In India, National Doctors' Day is celebrated on July 1st every year. It is the birthday of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai. He was born on July 1st, 1882. It is commemorated on July 1st all across India to honor the legendary physician and second Chief Minister of West Bengal.
Doctor is a person who dedicates his life to the service of the patient. He or she relieves the suffering and pain of mankind. He strives to make the life of others better and half of our STEM family for being the dedicated, thoughtful, and compassionate doctor that you are. You always go above, beyond, and work tirelessly towards a healthy outcome. I feel so blessed to know you and have you as my doctor. Thank you and happy Doctors Day.
వైద్యం ప్రాణం పోసెనే ఊగిసలాడే కొన ఊపిరికి తన ఊపిరిచే వైద్యుడే కులము మతమంటూ ఏ జాతి భేదం లేదులే నేడు రేపని మనిషి ఊపిరికి అభయమిచ్చే వైద్యుడు ప్రతి శ్వాస తన ఆశయే బ్రతికేదే డాక్టర్ నిస్వార్థ సేవలతో బ్రతికించేదే డాక్టర్ ప్రతి గుండెలు గెలిపిస్తూ చిరునవ్వులు చిగురిస్తూ ప్రతి కన్నులలో నా వెలుగును నింపుతూ ప్రతి గడపలలో నా ఆరోగ్యం అందాన్ని పెంచుతూ మాయ మర్మం ఎరుగని వారై ఎంతో కృషి చేయాలిరే ప్రేమ కరుణ ఎరుగని వారై ముందడుగై నేడే ప్రతి శ్వాస తన ఆశయే బ్రతికేదే డాక్టర్ నిస్వార్థ సేవలతో బ్రతికించేదే డాక్టర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So, coming up with a gratitude PPT.
Doctor. A doctor is a frontline and a first point of contact in a patient's healthcare. A doctor is a flag bearer of hope who never let us lose our hope in our life. A good doctor treats a disease, but a great doctor treats the patient who has a disease.
My warmest regards to everyone. Happy Doctors Day. I want to share a couple of words about doctors on Doctors Day. National Doctors Day in India we are celebrating on 1st July every year. It is the birth of Dr. B.C. Roy. Especially countless thanks to the entire doctors who are working hard for keeping us in good health.
Three famous doctors. One is Heavenly Doctor, the second one is Physical Doctor, the third one is Self-Doctor. Heavenly Doctor is the one who has designed the body with healing power. The Physical Doctor is the one who has courage, insight and empathy to cure the body. And the third one, the Self-Doctor, is just nothing but the will of a person.
And I feel that it's my pleasure to talk about doctors on this special day because irrespective of their religion, people treat doctors as God. It's not the greatness of the people to treat them so. It's the greatness of the doctors to made us think so. It's their sacrifice and their commitment that made us think so.
the medical profession is a noble profession, and they dedicate their lives in treating and curing the people. So they are very gentle, kind, and loving and caring people. So the doctors are highly respected in the society. So
a doctor fights diseases and deaths. They saves many lives. Doesn't have much time for sleep and rest. He works day and night. A doctor profession is noble. A doctor is just like a god. We should be grateful to the doctors. We must respect them.
Doctors' first priority is their patients. They work very hard to bring smiles on their face. They are available all the time on their phones, and they work all the time, and they don't have any fixed schedule of their job. Being the member of the doctor's family, I closely observe the lifestyle of the doctor and how demanding their profession is.
Thank you, doctors. Thank you for your careful care and hard work. The coronavirus outbreak has brought the world to standstill. All of us fighting COVID-19 the best way as you can. In this pandemic, the medical community, doctors, nurses, you are the real heroes. You are the real warriors. You putting your families' health, lives at risk to keep us safe and healthy.
I'm your friend, a doctor. Why are you afraid of me? I treat your coughs and make your fever flee. If you have a sore throat, a scratched elbow or knee, simply come and visit me. I'm usually seen a spotless white coat. Around my neck hangs a stethoscope. With a little torch I examine your throat, also your eyes, ears and nose. I check your body temperature and height, check if you're too heavy or too light. I may give your tummy a press here and there, but I handle you with great care. I make you stronger with vaccination. I treat you with tonics and medication. How I hate to give you painful injections to protect you from horrid infections. I may be a family doctor or a specialist, a physician, a surgeon or a dentist. I come rushing to save my patients during emergencies or operations. Your health indeed is your precious wealth, so you must exercise and eat well. If you'd really like to keep me away, remember to have an apple a day.
Thank you, everyone, and it was a wonderful celebration, I believe. So once again, I take this opportunity, dear doctors. It gives me immense pleasure to wish you a very happy National Doctors Day, and your dedication to excellence and then compassion are the very essence of human care. So providing the best care possibilities with dignity and respect for all. Thank you so much, dear doctor. Thank you, dear parents. Thank you so much for participating in the celebration. And then keep participating. Please spread this news that we are going to have a celebration so that others also will join and see the celebration. Let everybody know. Dear children, I miss you all, those who are watching this program, those who are participating in this program. And I do congratulate all the participants.
Vaidya Devo Bhava, Vaidya Devo Bhava.
డాక్టరు డాక్టరు మీరు దైవదూతలు, ప్రాణమిచ్చు దాతలు, నేలపై తారలు. వైద్యులు వైద్యులు తెల్లకోటు యోధులు, మార్చుతారు రాతలు మీకివి జ్యోతలు. ఆరిపోక నిలుపుతారు ప్రాణజ్యోతులు, ఆయువిచ్చి మార్చుతారు నుదిటి రాతలు. గెల్పులంత బంది అయిన వింత మాయలో మాకిక ఆసరా మీరే వైద్యులు. డాక్టరు డాక్టరు మీరు దైవదూతలు, ప్రాణమిచ్చు దాతలు, నేలపై తారలు. సొంత వాళ్ల తీరుగా ఇన్ని సేవలా, ప్రాణమన్న తీపికే ఆరకుండగా, మందులేని రోగమే చుట్టుముట్టగా, కత్తి మీద సాములే చేసినావుగా. ఇంటి వాళ్ళు ముట్టుకొని అంటువ్యాధి ఉన్న రోగిని తల్లిలాగా కాచినావు, సేవలెన్నో చేసినావుగా. సుఖీ భవ సుఖీ భవ, సర్వే జన సుఖీ భవ.